Good day, everyone. Learn how to update your graphics driver in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Updating graphics driver is very important, whether you are in gaming, you are editing, or doing normal things in your laptop or desktop. Because once you update your graphics driver to the latest update, you get the best performance, and if there is any bugs or anything bad, it fixes. So firstly, we will check the date of the graphics driver, how old graphics driver we have. So we will check that first. To do that, you can either search device in the search icon and you will find the device manager, or simply do a right click and then open the device manager. So I'll click on the device manager. Once it is opened, we will go to display adapters, and there you will find your graphics driver. You may be using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver like me. No issues. We will update all kinds of graphics driver. So firstly, we will select it. We will do a right click on that, and then we will go to properties and driver section. And here we will firstly check the driver date. So you can see I'm using a driver of like almost 3-year-old graphics driver. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the name. So I'll open the browser, I'll minimize it, and I'll open Google, and I'll just type exactly the same which I'm using. If you're using AMD or NVIDIA, you can type the exact graphics driver mentioned, and then we just need to hit enter. You can also mention the version of Windows you're using. So I'll add Windows 11 in it. All right. So you can do the same with your AMD or NVIDIA graphics driver. Now you need to scroll down. Since I'm using the Intel, I'll visit only the Intel site to update. If you're using AMD, you should always visit only the AMD site, and NVIDIA people should go to only NVIDIA site. So it is very important to go to manufacturer site, nothing else. So I'll go to Intel since my graphics driver is Intel, and there I'll simply look for the driver and I'll update it. It is very easy to find the graphics driver, and you can simply check and download. You can see Intel 11th 14th generation graphics for Windows. We will click on that, and here we go. We have the graphics driver. I will simply click on download and install it. All right, so you can also do the right click and then you can click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and you can also do with the Windows update. So I'll do a right click, I'll click on update driver, and then I'll click on browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from the list of available. And there as well, you can see which graphics driver you can try one by one and see which one works for you. You can also visit the manufacturer website, and you can run the auto. There are in NVIDIA, it can auto detect as well, and AMD as well. So I'll type AMD auto detect graphics driver, and you will find AMD get drivers with AMD auto detect installed too. So you can do that. This is very easy, and you can go with NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA auto detect like this. You can search NVIDIA auto detect drivers or auto detect graphics card like this, and then you can simply click on this NVIDIA, and there you can simply update it. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.